Hey guys, so it's Jess. So I actually, on one of my lives, somebody said that they wanted to see more of my walking videos. And around some neighborhoods in Accra. And I actually just left a cafe I was working at, and I'm in the airport residential area again, but like a different street. So I guess I'm gonna walk around for a couple minutes and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, definitely new buildings like this are coming up all over town. The one in the background there. And as we can see with this one, it's like probably gonna be like homes or something like that. All over. All over. This looks like investment money. Like, you know, because when I tell you I drive around here quite frequently, I had never seen these up, and they came up overnight and they've done quickly. This, on the other hand, probably looks like something where the money hasn't been complete, so it's kind of sat for a while. So I think you find this type of mix in Ghana all the time. The one that maybe funds are not all the way there, it's been something that's been stretched over, let's say 10 years or whatever. And then the one that is looking modern, it's come overnight, because I'm telling you, none of these buildings were here like until recently. So you see that type of both worlds happening right now. Oh, okay, is that a Montessori? Oh, so this is, oh yeah, it is. I can see through the cracks. This is a Montessori here. 9 months to 5 years. Okay, cool. Okay, never mind. Some of the construction workers look like they've spotted me. So, okay, see the crane going up there. They're moving, like they're working. Oh, and the sunset looks so beautiful. Okay, they really moving up there. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, okay, cool. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the sunset quite a bit, but yeah, and it's not uncommon to see like them like stack like building blocks and dirt piles next to projects that they're doing. So that's probably what these are doing here. And then, yeah, hello, how are you? Oh, and if you can see that taller building in the background, I've actually done a video with that one before. That's on Volta Street. Very pretty building. So, what a pretty sunset. Oh, so grateful to see something beautiful like that. God truly creates. So yeah, guys, that is it. That is it for a very quick tour. We went there, which is to the main street, and then we went back there. But I didn't want to leave the video too long. And the cafe is right down here. And you got to see some of the taller buildings, which was this one. And oh, you can't see the other one now. But yeah. And that's a little taxi going by. But yeah, guys, it was so fun seeing you guys again. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, guys? Oh, okay, look, wait. I do like these buildings. They're pretty. Okay, this one you can't really see it too well behind the wall, but you can see it's pretty nice, especially the one on the end of the street. Okay, guys, all right, let me end it here for real. I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.